Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Introducing the OYO Personal Gym, the proven way to transform your body with patented Spiroflex technology used by NASA astronauts on the International Space Station. Meet Nick Bolton, celebrity trainer, author, and director of fitness.
Up to now, free weights have been the best way to get a lean, sculpted body, but they're heavy and bulky. They take up a lot of room and they require a bench like this. I can replace all these weights with this. The OYO Personal Gym. This one piece of equipment provides the same benefits as all these weights. Instead of weights, the OYO Gym uses patented Spiroflex technology inside lightweight flex packs, first developed for NASA. Spiroflex creates smooth rotational resistance that feels like weight resistance.
The OYO Gym strengthens and shapes your chest, back, arms, core, and legs. With the OYO Personal Gym, you can now fit fitness into your lifestyle to achieve a lean, sculpted body in the convenience of your own home. Fitting in an exercise break at the office, while traveling, walking on a treadmill, or even outdoors when the weather is nice. And we know it works. A 16-week NASA study proved that Spiroflex resistance increased muscle strength and size as much as working out with free weights. Spiroflex works so well, NASA astronauts have used it to keep fit on the space station for almost 10 years.
We needed a resistive exercise device that didn't depend on weights. We needed something compact, lightweight, and effective, and that's why we went with Spiroflex technology.
Spiroflex resistance has been proven to build lean muscle, and the more lean muscle you have, the faster you'll lose weight because lean muscle burns fat, even when you're not working out.
I lost 9 pounds and 10 inches, which I didn't think would be possible.
The OYO Gym features double flex muscle activation. That means with each double flex movement, resistance is applied to opposite muscle groups, so you'll get the benefits of 2 exercises in one.
I created an incredible fitness program that uses the OYO Personal Gym to deliver life-changing results in just 10 weeks. It's called the OYO 10-Week Challenge, and it's so effective. Participants lost an average of 17 pounds and 19 total inches.
It's been 2 years since I took the OYO Personal Challenge. I did that for 10 weeks. I lost 17 pounds and I gained muscle mass. It really helped with my golf game. It's lowered my scores. Now I drive all my friends by 20-30 yards.
When I received my statistics, it was amazing. I have lost over 26 pounds, 26 inches in just 10 weeks. Anyone can do this.
I lost 100 pounds in 10 weeks. I went from size 36 to size 34, which I haven't worn since college.
Are you sitting there watching me right now, and a voice inside your head is saying, I know I need to do something about my weight now? Well, this is the moment, right here, right now, and in just 10 weeks from now, you can look in the mirror and be proud of what you see. But you have to take the first step. The OYO Personal Gym is the answer you've been waiting for to get the best shape of your life.
Now it's your turn to lose weight, look younger, get stronger, and feel amazing. OYO Personal Gym. Go online to OYOGym.com to discover how you can get your own OYO Personal Gym. It's a great value for a complete personal gym with Spiroflex technology. But wait, order right now and we'll upgrade you to the Total Body Package for free. You'll also receive the leg and door attachments, a wall chart showing all of Nick's 75 total body exercises, and a nutritional guide that shows you how to lose weight while still enjoying the foods you love. Plus, you'll receive 2 additional 5 and 10 pound flex packs. That's 15 more pounds of resistance you get free just for ordering now. But hold everything. Order in the next 10 minutes and you'll also receive a free membership in the OYO Fitness Club that includes Nick Bolton's premium workout program.
Rotofarm is all about growing the largest amount of herbs, microgreens, vegetables in the smallest amount of space wherever you are. Whether you have access to sunlight, whether you're in a city apartment. To achieve this, we had to make some big decisions. And this is why Rotofarm is so unique to look at. The first one was to make it a circle. That's why you can fit over 3 times the amount of plants in here compared to a flat garden of the same 0.5 meter width. As plants rotate along the farm bed, the total amount of gravitational pressure enacted on them is 0. This allows plants to grow freely up to twice as fast as an ordinary flat garden. The second was to use no soil. Soil is responsible for the wastage of over 90% of water that goes into agricultural crops. The third thing is that anybody should be able to use this. You don't have to know a lot about plants. It's fully automated. It's app controlled. The only thing you really have to do is top up the nutrient concentrates and you just mix it with your tap water and fill it up in the base. Rotofarm rotates about once per hour. As it does this, plants pick up water from the bottom of the cylinder and stay hydrated all throughout the rotation and then come back down again. Rotofarm has actually been designed around the plant. For example, we have a custom LED light called Sun Plus lighting.
The light provided by your Rotofarm is actually quite a wide spectrum that enhances the plant's growth. A lot of that spectrum is not visible to the human eye. Within that white light there are red, green, blue and far red components.
Because of the bright light needed to get the best tasting crop, we created the Eclipse cover. It has a mirror finish on the inside which reflects light back onto the leaves and a tinted outside panel which reduces brightness coming into the kitchen. Rotofarm has 10 plant slots inside the rotating farm bed. These are filled with biodegradable coconut fiber seed pods that come pre-planted with a whole range of seeds.
The Rotofarm is perfectly suited to the production of what we call leafy greens. Delicious vegetables with a lot of nutrition, and they come in the form of lettuces, in herbs, in Asian greens and in microgreens.
Rotofarm was designed for the home. The farm bed is BPA free and there are no toxic metals in any of Rotofarm's construction. The reception of Rotofarm around the world has been really positive. People can't wait to put it in their house, not only to have a source of fresh vegetables right in their kitchen where they need it the most, but also to have this design that marries nature and architecture in such a harmonious way. We think Rotofarm has the potential to change food forever, and we want to say thank you to everyone who supports us today on Indiegogo.
Change the way you cook forever with TidyBoard. TidyBoard makes meal prep easy. It's a cutting board that helps strain, sort, and prep your food with speed and efficiency. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and limited prep space. TidyBoard keeps you organized and your kitchen clean, bringing joy and ease back into cooking. It's simple. Clean it, cut it, store it. The slot in the end holds the containers and strainers that help speed up your clean and prep. TidyBoard won't tip over. The board is engineered to act as a lever. In fact, even though TidyBoard only weighs 4 pounds, it can hold up to 9 pounds off the counter. That means it can hold this, even this. Hang TidyBoard in different positions to optimize your flow. Hang it off your sink to strain pasta or soak berries. Hang it off your counter to open up your working space. Or hang it towards you so you can easily scrape scraps into the catch and organize your ingredients. The containers help you easily sort your prepped items, while the strainers make cleaning and straining quick and efficient. The catch makes a great place to soak and clean your fruits, discard waste, and keep your prep area clean. The eco-friendly bamboo cutting board keeps your knives sharp and is naturally antibacterial. The containers feature volumetric measuring marks and come with snap-on lids with vents, making them perfect for your meal prep. They're made of BPA-free food-grade silicone and are microwave-friendly. Best of all, the containers and strainers are fully collapsible, saving precious storage space. Whether you're a busy mom, a health enthusiast, or just someone who wants to simplify and streamline their meal prep, TidyBoard will help you save time, save worry, and save space. Back our campaign now and bring the joy of cooking back into your home.
This is Airblock, a one-of-a-kind, programmable, transformable drone and hovercraft. Think you've seen a drone like this? Think again. Airblock is unlike any drone you've seen before. Start with individual magnetic pieces, and 15 seconds later, you have a drone. Control the drone through the app via Bluetooth, and take to the sky in no time. Airblock is amazing, not just because it's entertaining, but also because it's educational. It teaches kids, and big kids, about coding and aerodynamics. Use pre-programmed maneuvers within the app. Just drag and drop into action. Airblock caters to every type of drone pilot. Want to try your own moves? Program your own aerial stunts right in the app. Have some cool ideas of your own? Airblock allows you to DIY so you can build your very own creation from scratch. With Airblock, you're not just constrained to the air. Take to the land or sea by transforming your drone into a hovercraft and hover over smooth ground or even over water. Rookie killing your vibe and your drone? Totally fine. Airblock is tough, so you can fly and bump into obstacles without fear. The engineered plastic foam makes Airblock durable, so it's safe to fly indoors or out. Snap into action and keep flying. So who's behind this awesome product? We are. And who are we? MakeBlock. We've launched and shipped 4 products on Kickstarter and have grown from just 3 people to a team of 200 people today. We've got 400,000 users and still growing. In the past 4 years, we've established ourselves as the company that encourages STEM-based education through our DIY robotics and products. We're passionate about bringing DIY robotics and STEM-based programming and education to folks like you. We need your help to get Airblock off the ground. So back to the point. You want a programmable, transformable, crashable drone? We'll make it easy for you. Back our Kickstarter campaign. And the best part? It's affordable. Because let's face it, everyone should have Airblock. Support the cause and get your own.